If you're new to the channel, my name is Justin. I'm a clinical exercise physiologist, life coach, and transformation coach. I want to do just a short video that goes into a simple message, and that is how to open up your heart in a world of chaos, especially in 2026. I want you to look at this video as me presenting you information that has worked very well in my life, and it is up to you as the human being to discern it, to accept what is relevant to you, and to discard what is not. Because at the end of the day, you are the consumer and you are the human being taking in the information, and you must discern this information. So tip number one is you want to follow the golden rule. This can be described as do unto others as you would have done unto you. Or another translation is treat other people the way you would want to be treated. And really, it's dialing into the empathy that you have as a human and recognizing that we are all on this planet together. We are all on the same team. And we are all trying our best right now with what we can carry at our own capacity. Just remember, if it was you, if it was your consciousness living in their body, carrying everything that they have to carry that you can't really see behind the scenes, how would you want to be treated? And you want to treat others the way you would want to be treated. What comes around does go around. All right, diving into tip number two, and that is to hold compassion for others. If you can feel good for another person for doing good, that will have a positive effect on you. Even if nothing happens, you will feel good about them doing good. And it's kind of like, let me boost you up so you can help boost me up. And I'll boost you up so you can help boost me up. And we'll boost each other up. And it's not to rely. You don't want to rely on other people to boost you up because you have everything inside you to boost yourself up as well. So, remain true to yourself. Remain true to yourself, but feel good when other people do good too. Now we're gonna go into tip number three for opening up the heart in a world of chaos is we're all the main character of our life, which is important. But don't miss out on the opportunity to be a side character in another person's life. Just like if there were two side quests that merge together. That opens a lot of doors to a lot of new opportunities, a lot of new relationships, and a lot of compassion and love for your heart. Yeah, you must discern. Is this a good quest or, I guess for labels, a bad quest? And what is best for me. But don't miss out on the opportunity to be a side character on another person's quest line in the game of life.